Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see your Instagram watch history. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram allows you to save the reel or post that interests you in Save folder, which can be accessed via settings uh, menu. So uh, scroll through the list, breakfast, receive the next day at night spot in town or relatable reel. But before you could save it or share with your friends, it finish happens to the best of us. At times like this, don't wish there was a way to check Instagram story. So, what if you want to check your Instagram story? First, you have to make sure that your Instagram app is on the latest version. So you can search Instagram. If there is an option to update, you can update it first. After that, you can open it. You can open your Instagram. You can go to your profile. Tap on the upper right corner, three lines over here. Three lines over here. You can just scroll down. You can select on your activity. From your activity, you can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option of watch history. So if you don't have this option on your Instagram, you have to uh, update your Instagram app to the latest version. You can open the watch history, and here you can check all the videos that you've watched on Instagram. It's very simple, right? And you can also sort maybe from the newest to oldest or the oldest to newest. And you can also sort by date, by the author, and everything. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check Instagram watch history. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!